The racers meet up nighttime at a parking area in the middle of the ocean. It does not get any better than this. I'm excited. And if you're wondering why the whole cloak and dagger get up, remember when I said in the middle of the ocean, it's freaking cold. It's gotten a lot more exciting all of a sudden. I was talking to the people that invited me directly, and it turns out that a lot of cars that you usually are not going to see, people that don't usually come out, a lot of big names when it comes to the Kaido Racers community are coming out. So tonight it will be extremely exciting. In that area where we were supposed to meet, there's a lot of trucks, so it's going to be impossible for the cars to pull in. So they're probably gonna go there, in that corner, coming from this direction. Things to happen, so in the meantime, what is Kaido Racers? Well, Kaido is a style of car that you're gonna see right here. It started in the 70s, more or less, when young kids decided that they wanted to tune their cars to look like the race cars that they saw on Fuji Speedway on other tracks. And as Japan usually does, that started a whole trend of cars getting more and more and more unique. All right, we're here with one of the organizers of tonight's event, and I know that a lot of people get confused between Kaido Racers and Bosozoku. So I could explain it, but he could explain much better, so let's pass it to him.
暴走族っていうと、オートバイ、車、あとはみんな特攻服、チームのシャツ、洋服着たりしてるんだけど、街道レーサーって昔の、グラチャンとかフレッシュマンっていうそういうイベントがあったのね。で基本街道レーサーは一般車、要はお父さんとかお母さんとかが乗ってる車を昔のレースカーに合わせてこう自分たちでオマージュしていく。で暴走族っていうと、表でブンブンしたりとかバイク乗ったりサンダーシート、ロケットカールいろんなものつけてやってる人たちで、基本的にそこまで変わり映えはないんだけども、今は街道レーサーっていうともう4輪だけ、で旧車会っていうとバイクの方になっちゃって、暴走族っていう今カテゴリーではなくなっちゃってる。
Crazy.
でも電話めっちゃいいですけどね。
熱くなりすぎるんですかね。
ああ、そういうことか。熱で。
There she goes. Guys, this is unreal. I swear to God, I've never seen anything like that. I'm excited. Now, I know these truck drivers are not happy. I'm all over the place. All right, that was fast. This is not police, but it's highway patrol. The Japanese kind of highway patrol, meaning they literally patrol the highway to make sure that everything's all right. If they deem it fine for us to be here, then we will stay. Otherwise, probably the cops are gonna come and we're gonna have to relocate. We're going to the next location. It's not too far from here, if I remember correctly. All right, we're waiting for the cars to pass by because we gotta get those shots. Yo, talk about irony. Dude, I've seen you working with Kaiser's car.
Yeah, so the funny story is, Kaiser needed someone to drive that car to Fuji so he could shoot it. He was like, do you want to drive it? Okay.
Now, the light there is awesome. There's no denying it. But there is equally as awesome cars over there. And that's why I brought this. No light. Yes, light. We are approaching the end of the night and we are here with these cars and these gentlemen right here, these are the owners. I absolutely love the night, guys. It was different from anything I've ever seen. It was like hanging out with friends and a lot of cameras, granted. And the fact that it was so contained actually made it so much better. It got me the opportunity to, meet the cars meet the people, kind of understand the culture way better. This has been our Kaido night, and this is Lucio of RPM Generation, and I will hopefully see you very soon.